It's HYLN video time, and I'm going to have to add another possible company to which of the 200 companies in the Fortune 200 list that Thomas Healy was referring to with there may be some companies interested in the Carnot generator. And it does not involve looking at Google Trends data. It does involve, and perhaps I'm overthinking it, it involves something else. And of this list, I crossed off one of these potentially by mistake. And again, this is a speculation piece. So it's kind of fun to think about, but it may not necessarily be right. And in the latest video from HYLN alpha to beta, I'm like looking at this image and something sticks out to me. There's a lot of blurriness over on the left-hand side of this diesel generator. There are three things that are blurred out, and in addition, there's another thing at the bottom that's also blurred out, and this kind of caught my attention. And as they rotate around this diesel generator, this item here remains to be blurred out. The thing down at the bottom is partially blurred out. But if you zoom in about 2 seconds later, you see the name Caterpillar under that. And I'm thinking, well, is Caterpillar in the Fortune 200 companies? And yes, it is. Now, this diesel generator also made a debut in the Carnot generator tech fireside chat, and this was made months ago. And as you can see, the logo of Caterpillar is just above Josh's head, as well as by the wheels on the lower right-hand corner. But they're not blurred out at that point. And looking at the comparison of this generator from alpha to beta to the generator tech fireside chat, they look like it's kind of the same generator, because it's this portion on the right hand side of the screen from alpha to beta matches what's displayed in the Carnot tech fireside chat. The same elements are present. And even the diesel logo, it appears there. And this is from the tech fireside chat. But when they showed this angle, the cat logo is blurred out. And they did it 5 or 6 months ago on this one. So on Josh's head, it's not blurred out, but when they do the close-up, they make an effort, a concerted effort, to blur out the cat logo for Caterpillar. And they've had this generator sitting around for, I don't know, 6-7 months for some reason. And they're comparing the sound decibels of how loud this diesel generator is. And I know they want to be hush-hush on who these one of the, or two of the 200 are, or maybe it's 3 or 4, I don't know. But if they want to be hush-hush about it, they would probably, I don't know, blur some things out maybe. I could be overthinking this. So I'm going to have to go and take Caterpillar and not cross that off anymore. And that adds Caterpillar, which is in Irving, Texas. It's just, it's between Dallas, Texas and Fort Worth, in kind of like that fishing pond area. They're dangling, was it the Carnot generator out there, or was it, gosh, what was it? Detmar Logistics. They're dangling out that there and see if they get any bites. But I'm going to have to add Caterpillar to this list of potential companies that HYLN might be courting. Another thing I would mention about the generator, if you look on the right-hand side in the upper right-hand corner, it says Tier 4 Emissions Tech with XQ, and then there's a 2 and some sort of number after it. And that turns out to be a XQ230 Tier 4 generator capable of producing about 180 electric kilowatts. And it says it's powered by a C 7.1 Tier 4 final compliant industrial diesel engine, offering the perfect balance of durability, efficiency, and low emissions. With advanced research and development techniques, the aftertreatment system is precisely matched to the engine, ensuring performance is optimized for maximum productivity. And Tier 4 diesel generators were an outcome of some mandate issued by the EPA in 2004. And for some reason, this generator is sitting in HYLN's research and development facility. So I'm just going to add a Caterpillar to this list, and we'll just have to wait and see what happens. That's it for this video, and of course, thanks for watching.